back, all that. And lock it up. Good. Go back, all that. Lock and low, let's go. Up, up, come on, move, up, down slow. Ooh, that's it. Come on. Right? Good, let's go right here. Go low, go low, go low, go down, go down. Go down, come on, go down, let's go. Here, stop here, come back down, come back down, do not stop. Do not stop, I'm right here. Move, come on. Move, come on. Back here, back down. It's high intensity training, come on. No bullshit, let's go, come on. Squeeze. Stop, slow, go rolling, nice, slow. Come up, and now stop. Yeah. A little more than that, come on. And squeeze. Good, perfect. Let's go, come on. 3. You can get 8 to 15 reps here, come on. Squeeze, come on, squeeze, up. Come on, move, come on. Let's get 2 more, come on. Hardcore, let's go. 2 more, let's go. 1, move, 1. That's it, there you go, come on. Move, come on. Get down, come on. Get down. 1, 2, 3, up, squeeze, come on. Slow down, good. Slower. Move, 1, 2, 3, up, move, come on. Good, got it right here? Okay. Now also I do sometimes, I really want to demolish someone. I do some partial reps. We do this partial reps. 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, go. Move up. 1. Higher. 2. Come on. Move. Squeeze them. Fall there. Go. Up. Higher. Don't stop. Go. Move up. Squeeze. Come on. Go. Up. Squeeze. Come on. All that. Give me 1 more. Okay. 1 more. Up. Higher.